masanay ka na. Yan ang sinabi mo sa akin nung una kang nagtanong ng kailangan ko at nahihiya akong sumagot. Siguro nga nasanay na akong sarilinin ang lahat. Kaya nung dumating ka sa buhay ko, pinaramdam mo sa akin na hindi na ako mag-isa o mag-iisa pa. Pwede akong umiyak at sasamahan mo ako hanggang maubos ang luha ko. Pwede akong mapagod at patatawanin mo ako. Pwede akong magkamali at ipapaalala mong mahal mo pa rin ako.
Love is blind but helps you see.
Ano ba yung
It makes you cry, makes you believe.
Lagi lang kayong magmahalan, yun lang. Saka si Indy, welcome to our family.
Put you back on stable ground.
Indy, 5 years ago, meet kita, mate lang. So, sakto lang. Normal na, magka-office lang, parang gano'n. Paano, okay naman yung kung anong friendship meron tayo noon. And that time, we were both in a relationship that time. So, but after some months, so ikaw napunta ka sa ibang company. So ako naman pinalad makapag-work sa Japan. Parang yun, acquaintance lang tayo for about 5 years. Tamang Facebook like lang reaction. So, ayun, tuloy-tuloy na tayo. So, ngayon, ito, nasa harapan na kita. Ang ganda mo pala.
Love is wrong and love is right. It's a patient heart with tired eyes. It'll bring you to the end.
JM, mahal na mahal kita. Ngayong kasama na kita, hindi ko alam kung paano kong kinaya lahat ng taon na wala ka. O kung kaya ko pa bang gawin ulit lahat yun, mag-isa. Sa'yo ko lang masasabi yung you complete me. We're such a good match. I love us. Na minsan, napapaisip ako kung paanong hindi natin napansin. All these years, na tayo pala ang magkakatuluyan. But then again, I wouldn't have it any other way. Your timing was perfect, and we were both ready. Thank you, JM, for being my safe place, my laughter, and my home. I promise to love you through any misunderstanding and through every season of life. You saw me through my hardest days, and you hold my hand even when things are going easy.
Thank you for, kasi tinatry ko siya kalimutan at least ng kaunti lang para hindi tayo masyado emotional, but I also like seeing his face because talagang I'm sure he'd be one of the happiest seeing you happy. So there, we wish you the best in your married life. I can't believe because you're just a baby. But I'm so proud of you. Unboxing. Sabi ni Papi.
Today a bride, tomorrow a wife, always your daughter. We love you.
So, ito tayo, ikakasal na. So, lagi nating sinasabi, parang humuluptot, na si JM pala, si Indy pala, parang ganun. So, as time goes by, I discovered a lot of things na mahal ko about you. So, mahal ko yung pagiging sweet mo. Mahal ko yung pagiging supportive mo sa akin sa lahat ng bagay. Mahal ko yung pagiging masiyahin mo, lalo yung malakas mong tawa. So, mahal ko yung pagiging compassionate mo sa iba. Mahal ko yung pagiging honest mo sa mga flaws mo. At kung mag-alala, dahil ako marami rin ako noon, pero alam ko, parehas nating mamahalin at i-correct mga flaws natin sa isa't isa. And marami pa akong bagay na mahal sa'yo, and I'm sure marami pa akong bagay na madidiscover na mamahalin ko pa. So, today a groom, tomorrow a husband, but always your son. With love, Michael.
Your shadow is fading, but the
Go girl, yes!
Go girl, you can do
This is
it.
the mall, where is the shop?
Go.
Where is the shop? Where is my money?
Hiking.
Yes,
How's
no
the
more
hiking,
money.
girl? Is it fun?
darling, I didn't see it coming. It happened.
Lost din ako kasi supposedly dapat masaya. Pero at the same time, malungkot pa din. Lalo na nung nakita ko yung picture niya. Kasi kaya ko nga sanang umiyak. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be a lot of adjustments. But with God in your marriage, I know that it will work out. Just let God be the center of your married life.
Thank you, Papa, and watch over me from heaven. Walk beside me today. You walk beside me every day. I love you so much.
Salamat dahil lagi mong pinaparamdam sa akin yung pagmamahal mo. Salamat, lagi mong na-appreciate yung mga effort ko sa'yo. Kahit maliit na bagay, kala ko dati wala lang. So, pati yun na-appreciate mo, maliit na bagay. Lagi mo kong nire-remind doon. Salamat sa pagtawa sa mga joke kong biling-biling mo. So, salamat sa lahat na ginawa at gagawin pa para sa akin. I promise to you na paparamdam ko na lang through action. And hindi, mahal kita. Loving you is the best thing that ever happened to me. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I will love you from this moment until my last. This is my sacred vow.
I promise to choose you every day for the rest of my life over any other. Lagi kitang pipiliin sa bawat pagkakataon at sa lahat ng panahon. Makailang lipat man tayo ng bansa o ng bahay, wherever you are will always be home to me. Mahal kita, JM, at mamahalin kita lagi. Masanay ka na.